welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to just do some stupid things like yeah, video is done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Jacob, why will I end this video too fast? So we are going to use these objects to make a football. I have found it by my own, making these objects, and I took like 15 hours to sort everything. And these all are erasers for sale in every supermarket. I have made many, but I'm gonna show you one how to do it. So here are the ingredients we needed. This one, which is the main. This is also the main. You have to have two of them, which I have. And this also is the main, the middle part, these both. And this I have only one, but you will have two of them. So you can remove another, it won't be loose. You can use it as a razor. So let's start. Let's keep this thing here. Like yikes. And the same button does another one. Then you have to take this one. We'll have 5 like this, 5 of them. Now you have to keep them in this here, and one as the same here. Then you have to take this sharp thingy here. You have to keep it, and the normal one you have to keep it inside this. There's a hole inside this. I'm going to show you. There you go. You see the hole. You can find the hole. It's like down thingy. So you have to fix it with the sharp. The normal one or the even sharp one. I'm just doing with the normal one in case it does not hurt me. So 1 minute. I will. Finally, took 15 minutes to keep it. Finally, let's keep it. That's great. Now this is quite simple. You have to do the same, but both have to fix like each other. 1 minute. I'll just keep it again. I don't know how much time it will take. Okay, it's done. So we have fixed the whole football. It looks like a football. Let's see. Looks like a football, right? We're going to play some football. Like the sub button like this, or like this, and press the like button like this, and say your comment like this, and share the video like this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.